Okay, so we got a 2024 Toyota Tacoma here. I'm gonna show you where your cabin filter is and how you pull it out. So go ahead and open up your glove box, take everything out of it. Right here, you'll see this compartment here. We're gonna press this tab that way, pull towards us, and it'll unlock this door. You can just pull it right out. So in here is where the cabin filter is. This is a door we're gonna remove right here. And you have these locking tabs right here on this side here that we need to squeeze. Okay, and then you can pull it towards you. Okay, see this side here. That. Now notice it says up, so when you put it back, this is facing up, and then you can pull out the cabin filter and the retainer. Okay. So once you have all this out, you just take the filter out like this. All right, and notice that on this factory filter you have up and up on here. That is not the airflow direction. This is just the way the filter goes in the holder. Okay. Get your new one. Line it up like that. And when you go to put this back in with your new filter, you need to make sure it's all the way back there, so this piece goes up. Okay, because it has these little feet on the door. You need to get the left side in first with these little feet that are right here. They need to go in these little holes, these little slots. This side you can just push on, okay? So that's why we took this side off first. And your cover, the right side goes in first because it has this slot here. And you just push that on and you're all done.